Okay, so before we start to the video, I actually have very exciting news. So I got my first ever brand collab. So Anna Luisa reached out to me and asked if I want to try a couple of their pieces, and of course I say yes because I know their brand for quite a while now, and I've been eyeing on their pieces quite a few times. But they asked me what type of options I like. I sent them a couple, and they sent me two necklaces. The first one I think I'm most excited about is this little flower necklace with a little freshwater pearl on the side. It's gold plated, so it is gonna be long lasting and hypoallergenic. So the other one is this little moon pendant. Isn't that so cute? I like their design because it's like very classic and it won't clash with a lot of my outfits, so it's really perfect for my day-to-day wear. Oh, I should show you my full outfit. I think it's cute though. It's very island vibe. I got this thrifted locally, and I don't know where I got this top actually. I kind of forgot, but yeah, it's just a scrunch top. Pretty simple, but like on outfits like this, a necklace would be perfect. I think the flower one, I'm gonna wear the flower one with this outfit. I think lower better. I'm gonna put it lower. Very simple, very dainty. And it's also like because it's gold plated, I can not worry about taking it off before shower or swimming. I'm pretty lazy about these kind of thing, and I try to wear only jewelries that can withstand that. Okay, the moon one actually looks very cute as well. I'm not really sure which one I'm gonna wear for today, actually. I think it's this one? I don't know, or the flower one. They both cute, I don't know. Okay, I think I'm gonna wear the floral one with the little pearl because they actually match with my skirt floral pattern. Another reason I agreed to do a collaboration with this brand, also knowing their brand is carbon neutral and climate neutral certified, sustainability is very important for me. That is why like all my furniture's like mostly secondhand, and my clothes is mostly secondhand. I try to mend my clothes. And if you guys are on a budget, I'm gonna put the link down in my descriptions for 20% off. So yeah, thank you so much Ana Luisa for sending me your beautiful pieces. And yeah, let's go back to my video. Welcome to my very messy studio. I want to give you guys an update to my space and what project I'm doing. So Harriet has kindly given me the whole space to myself because before it was actually mine and my partner's office. Like that table used to be my partner's table, but yeah, they see it like I can have it all to myself and they don't actually need that much space. So yeah, now that whole space is just my extra table for me when I do some editing. And right now I am in front of the table when I do my painting or sculpting. It's actually perfect. I love it so much. I mean, it's a mess for sure, but I have enough space to make the things that I want to make, which is exciting. And I started oil painting again. And the first one I did is actually a portrait of my partner. It's not perfect, but I think considering how rusty I am, I'm pretty okay with it. So the last time I did oil paint is actually when I was like in high school, before I left my parents' home. When I left home, I don't actually have any funds for oil paint because they're pretty expensive. They're not cheap. And yeah, so I started doing watercolor until now I finally have the space to do it again. And look at what I'm working right now. I'm working another lady with lily pads. I think it's a very recurring theme over here. As you can see, I'm choosing to paint something like familiar to me because I'm very rusty. So I think being able to start something that I know I could do is important to just familiarizing myself with the new medium. Not really so new, but new medium. You get what I mean? Whatever. Also, look at this mug. I got this on a market that I was vendoring in. And he sold like other pieces that are anime related and very, very cool too. So I've been doing markets for like once a month so far for the past 4 months that I'm gone. That's also why I haven't been posting anything. So yeah, I just been meeting so many cool artists in the area. And there's this lady that was behind me when I was vendoring. Where is my water bottle? I want to show you their art. I left my water bottle in the car, but I'll show you later. Her art is adorable. I don't know if they have Etsy shop though, so but maybe if you're in Phoenix area, you wanna meet us in person. I am vending until May at the Little Choya cul-de-sac Tempe, and I'll put that also in the description below where to find us. It's every second Saturday, and it's just good vibes, bunch of cool artists, nice people. Everyone's there so nice. There's a couple of shops there that have a shop dog as well, and I think they're so adorable. There's this little pup at the pawn shop. It's on Maricopa Botanicals, and sometimes when I vendoring there, I do come by to that shop just to say hi to Luca. the dog. The dog name is Luca. Also, Ponya wanna say hi. I mean, I think it's more like Ponya wanna go close to my window because she hears something. Oh, what is that? Mwah. But yeah, today I don't think I have any time to paint because it's my D&D day, and also I'm teaching my friend how to bake bread for the first time. So I need to do a little grocery before that, and also I'm going on a little date with Harriet's in this new cafe that I'm excited about. Sorry for booking you. Oh, that's true. We both share. This is actually for Harriet's, but I'm gonna take a sip. Not my best, but it's good enough, I think. Good morning. Last night, bread making was a success. Actually, I ate one for breakfast. I don't feel like eating bread recently, so I just took two from what we made together. Isn't that cute? It's just a very classic bread rolls. It's very easy. We made it by hand because Scouts doesn't have any mixer. So do I. I have mixer, but it's hand mixer, and it's always struggle when I use it to make bread. But yeah, so we make the bread from scratch with hand kneading, and this proves that you don't need any fancy tools to make bread. It's like people in medieval era made it without fancy tools, so you can. Also, I am making kakuni, and I recently got a pressure cooker, and I'm so excited about it. I've been cooking so many meals inside them. One of them I'm making is a kakuni, which is a Japanese-based pork with a lot of soy sauce and sugar and garlic. At least my version has a lot of garlic, but this is my new pressure cooker. I'm very, very happy that I got this, even though it's not like the cheapest things ever, but I think it's kind of worth it. I've been like cooking way more, and that saves you money from eating out. So yeah, this is the scary part though. So it just beeped, so I need to vent it out. Ready? Okay, it stopped hissing, so we can open it. Okay, so it's usually like took me 5 hours to cook it down, but with the pressure cooker, it's 45 minutes. Isn't that cool? I'm using so much tinfoil here that I'm not proud about it, but it actually saved me so much time, and I am on a crunch. I still need to go on my shift after this, so I need to finish the whole dish before my shift starts. While I'm roasting the pork belly, I wanted to finish my filet crochet headscarf. I'm planning to put this on the market for next month. This is how it looks so far. I don't know if the design is pretty clear, but I think overall, even though if it's not very clear, it's still pretty cute. Still very cute. I wanted to make a filet crochet top too. I've been looking at that a lot in Pinterest, and I feel like that's gonna be the next trendy thing. I really want to make those like filet crochet. I think it's called yoke, like in the neck area, and it's just like a flat, simple, like flowy bottom with some fabric that I have. But I'm not really feeling like sewing recently. I have like a whole bag of like clothes that I need to mend that is just still sitting in my office in that bag for almost a month now. So I need to get myself motivated to do that at some point. Maybe I didn't show you like the bottom floor of my office. It's all like bags of clothes, one for donating, one for making into patchwork, and one to actually mending. Yeah, I need to get on those slowly. Good morning. It's actually just been 2 days since I recorded because Harriet's my partner broke his foot. But yeah, I'm making breakfast. You can tell I'm pretty tired. It's wedding season, so there's like at least 2 weddings, no, 4 weddings a week so far. It's kind of crazy. So yeah, a lot of moving things around. My body is sore. But I do have flowers. I got 3 flowers. It's from one of the wedding. They was gonna throw this away, but it's so pretty. So I took it home for my table. Also makes my home smells nice. Okay, so let me show the progress I did. So I made the filet crochet headscarf. I love it so much. I think I'll make another one in different design. This is pretty simple design. Little flowers with dots in the middle. I also made a purple just regular lace crochet. Pretty fancy too. And the other one is gonna be this red one that I started yesterday. I might sculpt a couple more items before the market start, and I'll make sure there's a video for that. But I think for now, this is it for the video. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Hopefully less than 4 months. Bye.